Alright everybody, how y'all doing? And welcome back to my channel. I'm here with an unboxing of AILIHEN quality stereo headphones, C8 wired headphones. As you see, everything is well spot on. Presentation looks nice. You cannot go wrong with it. High fidelity stereo sound, capture your voice and clear and loudly. So if you want to go ahead on and use the headphones that has a microphone attached to it, so you go ahead on and hear your voice calls, etc. without an issue. Got your specifications on the back. Speaker diameter is 40 millimeters. Sensitivity is 106 plus 3 dB. Independence is 32 ohms plus 15%. Frequency response is 20 to 20 kilohertz. Plug type is 3.5 millimeter jack. Cable length is approximately 59 and 1/16 of an inch. So other than that, if this was placed on the store shelf, they'll be gone. I'll just y'all know I'm a headphone junkie where I bought Kenwood, Kobe. I did some unboxings of other headphones I had did. Those will be in the videos below. But right now we're going to talk about this product here. Let's get into the product presentation of the product. Now, as always, what's in the box is user guide. A lot of y'all throw this away. So, in the near future, like I always say, take time to read your product so you can understand your product and know the functionality of your product. It won't take no less than 5 minutes to read, and everything will show you what you need to do. Troubleshoot it. Notes on the headphones, preventing hearing damage. Connectivity, you could go tablet, PC audio jack, cell phone audio jack, etc. As always, you got it in different languages as well too. Just take the time to read your user manual. Alrighty, that's out the way. Let's talk about the headphones itself. As you see, foldable design. Snap in place. It has a nice good cushion, rubbery headband for the top of your head. You have your adjustable features. When you're done with them, like always, they're foldable. And you can't go wrong with it. Here you got your stereo jack, your microphone jack, your volume up, down. That's the pause or answer the call, that little button right there, as you see. Now, y'all probably asking me, well, Ron, what is the quality of them? Are they soft? The padding is nice, soft, so you can't go wrong with that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the try on, and I'm gonna go ahead and be doing the audio test to see how good they sound and etc. So give me about 15 to 30 minutes to set everything up, and I'll be coming back with you with that. Alright everybody, I have them on. The comfortability test is comfortable on the head. The little nice comfort head strap works perfectly. The cushion muff works perfectly, so I ain't got to worry about hearing or having any hard things crunching on my ears or anything. The cushion works good, but when I put them on, I can barely hear noise, so I can barely hear myself talk, so that's a good thing. Now, the comfortable test has passed, so that's 10 thumbs up, 20 times how you want to say it, so that's a good thing. Now I'm gonna go ahead on and do the sound test. So just give me a second or so, and I'll go ahead on and get with that, and we are good to go. Find the audio jack. There we go. Now we're gonna go to some music. Give me a second. I'm gonna go ahead on and find the music. Give me a second. The sound quality is there. Sorry it took too long, but the sound quality is there, and you can't go wrong with that. Also keep in mind that the cable is braid with the braid material, so you ain't gotta worry about catching no shortage in it or bending the wires. So we good with that. Got your volume control. I just turned it down. I just turned it up. They're very bassy, very nice, good quality, and you can't go wrong with that. Just like I said, you got your volume here. You can turn it down, and you can turn it up to the comfortable level you like to have it at. If you don't like listening to it loud and you want to hear things going around you, you can control it right here. You have your button to answer calls and pause it. So that's a good thing with that as well too. Now I'm going to Spotify. I'll be putting their link in the description below if you want to sign up to their premium for $9.99 a month. With their premium, it allows you to go ahead and listen to music without any data or any Wi-Fi, and you just be on the go, listen to music, and it allows you to download certain albums and songs too. For $9.99 a month, you can't beat that. Just like I said, the sound quality is there, and you cannot go wrong with that. So these headphones by AILIHEN is perfect. The C8 is on point. And of course I add these to my collection, so if I need to go ahead on and hear anything's going on in the house, or hear my wife calling me, because I got noise cancellation headphones, when I put them on I hear nothing. But here, I can hear the music and it cuts out some of the noise, but if I want to turn it down, that's a big plus. They got the volume control right there on the string is on the control panel itself, so you can go ahead on and turn it up, or you can turn it down. So now I'm gonna go ahead on and give you my feedback of what I would think of these AILIHEN C8 headphones and what I recommend it to you. Alright everybody, these AILIHEN C8 headphones are excellent. I mean, the sound quality is there. You got your bass, you still hear the highest. Everything is there. Now, if you like me that has a equalizer control, like I do, I like everything to be balanced so I can hear my bass, I can hear my trebles all at the same time. A little more trebles than bass, but these headphones bring it out though. So if you have your an EQ sound, make sure you have it turned up on your tablets or your mobile cell phone, and you'll be good to go. It has a volume control mic, as well as the as your pause button and your answer button. So if you're out with your cell phone and you're doing your little basic exercise and stuff, and you have calls, this works out just fine. Quality is there. You cannot go wrong with that. You can just sit down here and have it like on your shoulder, like I had it. Have it on your shoulder there, and then you can just answer the call, hit the button, end it. If it's too loud, you got your volume control up and down there, which that's a big plus right there too. So these headphones are great quality. I will recommend them to people who are looking for good quality headphones. Now, if you like more expensive stuff, then this video and the link in the description below is not for you. But if you are kind of type of a person that don't want to spend an arm and a leg on some good quality headphones, like me, all I've been doing from in the 1980s to now is buying great quality headphones because of the name and everything. Just like I said, in my business administration class, I had a marketing class that taught me how to take the brand off and focus on the quality of the product. And that's what I do. I focus on the quality of the product. I don't care if it was Leon Lee, Corsair, Kenwood, Quinn Vegas, Sonos, etc. I go ahead and remove the brand off and then focus on the quality of the product. And for AILIHEN C8 quality, it is there. Just like I said, these headphones are under $22. Great quality headphones, very lightweight on the ears, very structure built, you know, and you can't go wrong with that. So if you're in the market of some good quality headphones and you want to purchase, use some headphones, click on the link in the description below and you'll be good to go. And I'll be putting as well as the company name in the description below so you can check them out, read more about the product and the manufacturer. I want to thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.